Everyone is talking about AI, but here's the truth. Businesses don't need just AI, they need automations. Because AI without automation is a Ferrari without wheels. It looks great, but it doesn't take you anywhere. Let me show you why automations is a real game changer in businesses today. Hey guys, I welcome everybody, myself Mohit, and the topic that I have started today, decided to talk about with you guys is how to get started with AI automations and AI agents in 2025 in the right way. So the first thing is this, that the easiest business to start today is a service-based business. This is very important for you to know. Let me tell you about my journeys. Guys, I was doing dropshipping a year back, and I always wanted to do something great in my life. And that is why, being a student, I decided to do something. So I started with dropshipping. I struggled a little, didn't make any money. And then after that, one of my friends helped me out in searching about this AI agency and all these things. So the building an AI agency in today's world is very easy because of few reasons. The first reason is that it costs you very low. There is a low startup cost. Building an agency doesn't require you a lot of money. The second thing is that you can start anything that is high on demand. If you really want to build something today as an agency, you need to look for these four things. These four things will be something that will be helping you out. And out of these four things, there are two things which are much more important than the other. The first thing is that you have to look for a service or a skill that is in much of a demand. That is why you will be able to earn more, because of the demand that you are going to supply and fulfill. The second thing is going to be the low startup cost. And building an agency business has taught me that it doesn't take you a lot of money to start it. You just need a laptop and a phone and an internet, and then you can learn anything and then scale it to millions. So the easiest thing to start today, if you really want to do something in life, start within service-based business, anything that you like. Service-based business is built on these three pillars. You just have to have an accessibility of things, tools, for example, the laptop, the mobile, and internet. The second thing, which is very important, is that service-based business is built on a low investment pillar. That is good for us. We don't have a lot of money to invest into this all things. So yeah, it's good, right? And the third thing is that you need to have skill, because in a service-based business, if you're not supplying service, then what is that all about? You can learn anything that you want and then start your own thing. The second important thing that I really want to talk about is the timing is everything, and why AI automation is the right move now. So see, when I say about learning a skill in above scenario, I told you about that learning and skill application is the third pillar that is of any service-based business. But which is a skill that we have to learn? Can we learn a skill that used to work 5 years back? For example, editing was a skill that took a boom 5 years back. Learning editing today might help you to earn money, but still there are many people who already are fulfilling that skill. So the value that you are going to provide is going to be lesser than that. That is why it is very important for us to start with something that not a lot of people are doing and has a lot of demand in the market. It is always about that demand and supply thing. I need to do something. We need to talk to ourselves and think about what do we need to start. Do we need to do something that has already reached its peak, or something that is going to take off? AI automations is a thing that is really going to take off. There are just a few people in India who are doing this thing. So you can grow into it from a long perspective. So why did I choose AI? Because I really am a strong believer of that it is all about doing correct things at the correct time. It's not going to be about doing things. It's not going to be about the correct time. You have to do the correct thing at the correct time. I really feel AI is the time today is of AI. So anybody who's going to get started with AI and start to learn how to build this all automations and all these things is going to earn a lot of money and is going to really provide value to the market. So guys, the third thing that we are going to talk about is going to be learning AI automations and focusing on the right things. So over here, the picture that you can see is one of the pictures that I have taken from Jensen Huang's conference, which he did about NVIDIA. He's one of the richest person today in the world, and why he is the richest person? Because he started a company known as NVIDIA, which he scaled, and today that company has reached trillions of dollars. So this is one of the graphs that he showed and shared with all the people present over there. In this particular graph, he showed the life cycle of an AI and from where did we come and the place that we are going to get. So if you can see over here, we are currently at this third stage, which is the stage of agentic AI. In agentic AI, as you can see over there, the three things are written over there: that coding assistance, customer service, and patient care. So these are the things which if somebody learns how to use AI and make automations and workflows with these all things, then those people can earn a lot of money. And that is the whole some conclusion of this video. You have to learn something, a skill which is related to these things, and then you can cater those skills and earn a money out of it. The fourth way will be the physical AI, and in the physical AI there will be self-driving cars and general robotics, and this is going to be the future, guys. If somebody has to do something regarding this, they can make a startup of their own regarding these topics, and then it's going to be great. So what to learn first? Avoid getting lost in theory. Start learning these tools and all those things. Let me break up these into simple steps so that you can understand. So the first thing is that you have to understand the basics of AI automations. What AI agents do and how they work. This is the basic thing that you have to learn. What are AI agents and how do they work? The second thing is going to be about learning tools such as Na10 and Make. These are some of the tools, Make, Na10 and Zapier, which actually are no code tools, and they will really help you to make AI agents which will be automating various real world tasks. Third thing that you can do is practice those automations by building something for small businesses or for yourself. And then the fourth thing that you can do is find clients and start monetizing this thing. As you can see over here in the graph that or the diagram that I have shown you, the first step is going to be always learning automation tools. Mastering tools like Anytime for task automation. The second thing can be practicing automation. Apply the skills that you have learned and make some tasks automated. The third thing is going to be finding clients so that somebody can pay you money for the skills that you are going to provide. An example, if you want over here, is that you can build an automation for real estate agents so that you can help them call the person, call the inbound leads, or call the outbound people. Or you can automate various types of Gmail tasks. You can make a Google Sheet automate. You can help people or businesses manage their CRM. You can help them manage the leads that they are bringing in. You can help them qualify the leads that they are bringing in. So these are all of some things that you can really start to learn, and then you can find clients and give them this offer of exchanging the service on the basis of the money that they will be giving. So focus on execution, not just learning, because most of the people keep learning forever and never start. This was one of the things that I did. Actually, I am not working alone, guys. I am working with one of my friends, and she is the one who actually is on a leap of doing things rather than learning, and I am somebody who just learns about things in a deep way. So I have learned it from her that you just don't need to always learn about things. You just need to execute it sometimes, and then execution will help you learn more than you will ever learn by watching videos and all those things. So after watching this video, I want you guys to go and write on a paper the skills that you are going to learn, and then start learning those skills. So guys, the fourth thing is all going to be about the money angle and how to monetize AI automations. So why businesses need automation? There is a reason that why businesses are implementing AI and automations into their businesses, because AI and automations benefit their businesses, and the benefit that they provide to the businesses can be seen in these all ways. See, for example, I'll give an example. We are building AI voice agents who can take up call 24/7. That is the advantage of they are 24/7 available, so that they can take call and close the lead on time. When the lead is very warm, they can close the lead in the warm state. That is how they will be increasing the results. The second thing is that it is very easy to integrate those AI agents into the systems that has already been built by the businesses from a long period of time. Our AI can handle repetitive tasks. Businesses, if they are, for example, when we talk about having the people at their reception to call and do the same repetitive tasks, they don't really need those things. Those are simple things which an AI can automate on its own. As a human, we always make errors in the things that we do, and AI doesn't do that. AI might make errors, but that error can be then solved, and once that error is solved, the error is not repeated again and again. Operational cost, customer experience, scalability, these are one of the things. These are many of such more things how the AI and automation can benefit the businesses. They can increase the customer experience, they can increase the scalability of the business as a whole, and can increase the productivity as a whole. So these are all of the benefits which an AI and automation can provide to a business. Now there are various different strategies of making money. There are different ways to make money. In the AI world, there are 4 different ways, as you can see. The first thing can be freelancing. Basically, you can start reaching people through some platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork, and then offer your skill and wait for people to come up to you. Or you can start with a platform such as freelancing, in which you can bid and then start your thing. So freelancing is one of the way by which you can give your services. The second thing that I really like is going to be the agency model. Agency, you can build an agency by taking a substantial amount of clients and then handling their projects manually. Then you can, by this method, you can build an agency. The third thing can be selling AI automation templates. This is one of the things that I myself am doing, as well as you also can do. Whatever you make, you just share it with the people at a minimal cost. Like for example, become the most experienced or most have an expertise over AI thing. For example, if you have skills so refined that you are known in the market for making the most great Gmail automations, then you can sell those services with that name tag of yours. The fourth thing let us talk about is going to be about subscription based AI agent solution. This requires significant setup but offers guys the fifth the fifth and the last thing is why you need to take actions now and not later. This is one of the biggest mistakes that I could have done if I would have been working alone. But people never start, they always procrastinate. It might take you a strong will to start to doing things, but remember, you are doing it for yourself. Automation and opportunities. Automation is just an opportunity that has came into our life in 2025. In the similar manner that the opportunities has already came in the recent past years and is going to come in the upcoming years. But not doing anything will not give you anything and reap you anything. It's better to start learning, start implementing, start building. I am one of you who was never going to build these things, who was never going to actually post this content on YouTube. But I have to do this because I have to grow in my life, and not doing this will not take me anywhere. That is why be prepared, learn, execute, find clients, do stuff, and make something of your own rather than wasting time and effort. It is more easier. This is one of the ideologies that I live by. It is more easier for us to do things today rather than not doing the things. Not doing the things will make it more harder in the future. If I don't work today, I am in second year in my college. If I don't do things today, my third year is going to be bad. My fourth year is going to be bad. My fifth year is going to be bad. Then after that, when I pass out, I don't want to do the things that this learning or the education will give me. So if I don't do anything today, it's going to be tough. It's more easier for me to do today. That is why this is the ideology that if you like, you can also use those things. It is very easy and it is more easier to do the stuff today and very hard not to do things. So start implementing this thing. Don't wait, learn. You will find various people on YouTube. YouTube has everything that you need to do. If you want to learn, every single thing is present on YouTube. Learn it through it, execute, find more clients, and yes, there is the video. Meet you guys in the later videos that I will be posting. Please guys, if you really had the value out of it, I want you to subscribe as well as like to this channel and follow.